What's good, BB gang? It's your boy SyVon.
It's your girl SyVon, and we are back with another video.
Alright guys, somebody tell me on the man. Today we're gonna do a little food review. Let me slow it down. A little food review. We're gonna be reacting to is it reacting to or tasting? What's the word?
We're gonna be reviewing
the new KFC meal. What's it called?
Chizza.
So apparently it's like a pizza and a chicken together. I don't know how or who came up with this idea. I don't know what made them come up with this idea. I don't know if they were dreaming this, come up with this idea.
It's giving.
I don't know if they were trying to outdo other
fast food
restaurants by coming up with this idea. But I seen pictures of it. It's just a lot going on. I don't know. A pizza and a chicken together.
Yeah, it's giving like late night munchies type. It's like, oh, I'm craving a pizza, but I'm craving chicken as well.
Yeah.
It's like, put it together.
Yeah. So
that's what I feel like it is.
So yeah, we got the bag right here. We got some drinks. We got the fries. We got the meal pretty much. So
we got the whole combo.
Yeah. So without further ado, make sure you guys like and subscribe.
Hit that notification bell so you can notify each time we post a video. So trying out the fries first. I've never had KFC fries. Have I?
What was the drink again?
That's a blueberry lemonade.
It's not bad.
Wait a minute.
So right there, show you think that box is for?
I don't want that one.
You could like. So the one you throw in the bag, you think it was going to taste different from the rest? Y'all gonna taste the same. You want ketchup?
You want them?
You can try them.
I don't know what they did to them.
They cook them?
They're nasty.
While they're trying to outdo restaurants and making it with this menu, they need to outdo McDonald's and come up with some better fries.
Oh my god, this is so sweet.
I don't know if because I'm hungry.
But they taste scrumptious. All right. Now for the main event, the main course. Don't it look good? It smells.
What does it smell?
Like chicken.
This is the big size, right? Pause.
Yep.
So I'm guessing the small size probably just one?
Probably half of them.
Okay.
Cause they got a Chizza, which I guess is the whole thing, is $10, and then they have a half, so and that's like $5.99.
Bro, this does look like a regular chicken.
Right, which is pepperoni and
pepperoni and cheese on top of it. That's it. You can make it at home.
Mozzarella sauce. I mean, not mozzarella sauce. Marinara sauce on it.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Child.
Hey, let's put some names together. All right. Child. All right, I'm trying.
What the fuck?
Is it me or was just a lot of sauce? A lot of what's that sauce they don't use on pizza? Tomato.
Marinara sauce or something.
Yeah. Just a second.
The chicken is good.
You think it's chicken? Like I just taste the sauce alone.
The chicken is good. It's just like, it's nothing that's screaming like, oh, I need another one.
Definitely not.
Can we get our money back?
I don't know who come up with this, but if you go sleep and come for the next dream.
For real.
This is not it. I don't know if I didn't mess it up, but this is not it. Like how you mess up chicken and pizza, bro?
Nah. I'm good.
But yeah, That's a review, guys. How much you want to rate it?
A 5. No, 4.
Probably a 9, 3.
I give it a 4.
A 3. Maybe
it's
2.
Too much. So yeah, if you guys want to go try it, y'all let us know what y'all think about it, and if it's good to y'all down in the comment section below. We're gonna end this video off right here. Like Babe said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we post any and all videos, and we're gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.